Hello and welcome back to some more of my examples for orgochemworld. This is going to be another simple example for formal charge. I felt like I did have a decent explanation from last time, but I wanted to give you guys some more examples rather than just one, and also how you can find the formal charge of different atoms based on their position on the periodic table. And we will talk more about the periodic table and its order later on in the series. Because it's very important to organic chemistry, dealing with electronegativity and atomic radii and things of that nature. Okay, so to start off with, we're going to do an example. Let's see. We'll start off with. Sorry. Hold on. Here we go. So we'll start off with this example. CH3, 2 oxygen. Okay. Now, whoops, I had one too many, because it's going to have a negative stretch. Alright, sorry about that. Okay, so we're going to use our rule that we stated, that formal charge is equal to valence. Okay, so how do we find the valence electrons on oxygen? Well, if you look on its position on the periodic table, you can see that this group right here, group 6, will actually show you all of the all the atoms that have 6 valence electrons. So what we're going to do is say that there are, so you see this 6, okay, that there are 6 valence electrons minus the ones that we have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and remember that we share 1, 6. So 6. So this oxygen has a formal charge of 0. Now we need to still find the formal charge of this carbon. So actually, okay. Alright, so now we know the formal charge. There are 4 valence electrons for carbon, and based on the periodic table, we can see that 4. Okay, and so we count. There is 3. It's sharing 3 electrons with hydrogens and 1 electron with oxygen. So that means we have 4, which would mean that this carbon has a formal charge of 0. Okay, we're gonna be able. I think we'll be able to fit one more in. Okay, so we'll do one with nitrogen and oxygen. Okay, so based on our periodic table, let's go ahead and set this up. Formal charge of the oxygen. We'll start from the right. We know that there's 6 valence electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So its oxygen has 6 electrons. So its formal charge is 0. Okay, and then we have a formal charge of our nitrogen here. If we look back over here, you see that's going to have 5 valence. So 5 minus, whoops. 5 minus the ones that it owns. So 1, 2, this lone pair counts as 2. 3, 4 is sharing with the oxygen. 5 is sharing with the carbon. So its formal charge will be 0. Sorry for the messiness here. Formal charge of the carbon will be 4 valence minus how many it's sharing. 3 hydrogens, so it's sharing 3 electrons with those hydrogens. So, and also 1 with this nitrogen. So 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Oops. Alright, and that's your video.